like it's a big application, right? Let me see the squeegee. On the big application, always remember that you squeegee from the inside out.
Okay.
So if this was a digital print, this may say that this is a digital print, and you want to squeegee it out, the whole thing. So you squeegee from here out, squeegee from there out, from the center out, center
Okay.
out. So that whatever you're starting with, all the air that's in there, the air goes out that way and it goes out that way.
Okay.
Makes it easy.
Makes sense. Yeah.
So always remember from the inside out.
Cool.
No way.